August 2nd, stock playbook. A little sample video. I hope you guys are getting a little something out of this. We've been saying, as you know, this whole last month that we felt the path of least resistance was lower. Today we saw the market crack. Dow Jones dropped 265 points, 2.2%. Nasdaq Composite 75 points, 2.7%. S&P down almost 33 points, 2.6%. We felt we were going to test these lows. We're almost there for these lows. If it 1250, 1249 level doesn't hold, I think you could see this selling accelerate to the downside. We've continued to say we felt the path of least resistance is lower. Now that all the talking heads on TV are now starting to join us in the bearish camp, we have to start being ready to get ready for a snapback, 1 day, maybe 2 day rally that could go ahead and make us some money to the upside. Sign up to Stock Playbook for a free trial. We go through and lay out all of the possible plans of what we feel we could see. But that 1249 level is the line drawn in the sand. Heavy volume to the downside. We are under accelerate. We are seeing the market roll over. We've done this in the past. What you're seeing here is a classic head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern. Here's your neckline, which we comfortably undercut today. We could see this accelerate lower, but we do have a game plan for both a bounce and stocks that are poised to make a nice little pop. We still think the path of least resistance is lower, but we'll acknowledge that we will see bounces, tradable 20-point moves in the S&P higher, 150 Dow points, a bounce, a 1 day, 2 day. But we lay out our game plan in our videos tonight. Again, sign up for a free trial. All you need is an email address. We'll get the bounces up into the 50-day moving average. You take your shot at your short side. We lay out the names we like to the short side, whether it's Netflix, Amazon, Apple. We have some earnings plays in the way of Mercado Libre and Mastech tomorrow, MTZ. There's Mercado Libre pulling back nicely to its 200-day moving average. MTZ also, pulling back to the 50-day moving average. I think both of them poised for a great report and could see nice activity. You don't want to go ahead and trade the stocks. Use the options. You could define your downside risk. If we're right, you can make multiples on your money. If we're wrong, you're going to lose everything you put in. That's why you adjust the size of your trade. Like I said, you're looking for more opportunities and more ideas. Sign up for a free trial. I think you guys will be impressed. We've had a nice little run the last week or so, 8 days, playing the short side, selling the S&P E-minis. It's time to start taking some profits and get ready for a bounce. That'll only be a day or two, maybe 3 week. But, I think we see a bounce and then ultimately, another test of these lows if we don't head lower even tomorrow. That's it for the Stock Playbook. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.